Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, my friends! Santa here through his wisdom, not up in the North Pole, but right here to share some special gifts of financial wisdom with you. Now, he may not have his reindeer with him, but he has got something even better tips and tricks to make your wallet as joyful as the season. You see, the holidays are all about joy, and we want to keep it that way without the stress of finances. So let's talk about something important: financial well-being during this magical time of the year. Yes, Santa, here to tell you that managing your money wisely can make your holidays even brighter. Now, I know the holiday season can bring its own set of challenges. The gift shopping, the festive feasts, and all those twinkling lights can sometimes put a strain on your budget. But fear not. Santa's got your back. We're going to tackle these common financial challenges together and make sure your holiday spirit stays merry and bright. And guess what? Even Santa has some investment secrets up his furry red sleeve. That's right, beyond the North Pole. I've picked up a few tips and tricks to make those holiday dollars jingle all the way. So grab your hot cocoa, get cozy by the fireplace, and let's unwrap the gift of financial wellness this Christmas. Together, we'll make this holiday season not just full of joy, but financially stress-free too. Ho, ho, ho! We're diving into the first workshop of the season, Santa's Budgeting Workshop. Now, I know budgeting might not sound as exciting as flying reindeer, but trust me, it's the key to keeping your holiday season stress-free. First things first, why are setting a budget so important? Well, think of it as a magical map guiding you through the holiday season. It helps you plan for gifts, decorations, and all the festive fun without going overboard. Setting a budget allows you to be in control, ensuring that your wallet stays as jolly as your holiday spirit. Now, let me share some of Santa's special tips on creating a budget that works like a charm. Start by listing all your holiday expenses: gifts, decorations, feasts, the whole shebang. Once you have the list, set a spending limit for each category. This way, you won't find any surprises when the holiday bills roll in. But that's not all. In this modern age, we have some handy tools to make budgeting even easier. Santa recommends using budgeting apps and tools to track your expenses and stay on top of your financial game. These little helpers make sure you stay within your budget and have a holly jolly time without breaking the bank. So, my friends, grab your pen and paper, fire up those budgeting apps. Let's make this holiday season not just magical, but financially savvy too. Santa's Budgeting Workshop is in full swing, and together, we're going to slay those budgeting challenges. Now, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart: gift-giving strategies. I've got some time-tested tips that will not only warm your loved ones' hearts, but also keep your budget in check. You see, it's not about the size of the gift, but the thought behind it. Santa's secret? Focus on thoughtful presents that show you care. Sometimes, the most valuable gifts are the ones that create lasting memories. That's right, experiences over material things. Instead of splurging on the latest gadgets, consider gifts that will bring joy long after the wrapping paper is gone. And here's a little extra magic for you. Start a family gift tradition. It's like planting seeds of joy that grow into beautiful memories. This tradition doesn't just make the holidays special, it's also an investment in the happiness of your loved ones. So this year, let's shift the focus from the price tag to the warmth of the moment. With Santa's gift-giving strategies, your holiday season is sure to be filled with love, laughter, and cherished memories. Now, let's dive into something exciting: stocking stuffers and stock investments. Just like the treats you find in your stockings, investing in stocks can be a delightful surprise for your wallet. Think of it as a little gift that keeps on giving. Here's Santa's advice: start small. It's like planting a tiny seed that can grow into a mighty tree. Begin with a small investment and let it grow over time. You don't need a sleigh full of money to get started. Even a little can go a long way. Now, stocks may sound a bit like elf jargon, but don't worry, Santa's here to simplify it for you. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a tiny piece of a company. It's like becoming a part owner of Santa's workshop. As the company grows, so does the value of your piece. Remember, just like how you choose the best treats for your stockings, you want to pick strong and reliable companies for your investments. Santa's not into risky business. He likes the nice, steady kind. So, let's recap. Start small, think long-term, and choose your investments wisely. It's like filling your stocking with the best treats: sweet, satisfying, and sure to bring joy for years to come. With Santa's investment wisdom, Your financial journey can be as exciting as unwrapping those holiday surprises. Now, let's talk about something as important as Rudolph's bright nose, the reindeer retirement plan. You see, just like trusty reindeer, who work hard year after year, we all need a plan for the long run. It's like a magical savings account for your future. During the holidays, while you're enjoying the festivities, it's also the perfect time to think about your retirement. Imagine your golden years being as bright as Rudolph's nose. We want to make sure you have the financial sleigh power to enjoy every moment. Now, here's where the magic of compounding comes into play. Starting early is like sprinkling a bit of North Pole magic on your savings. The earlier you begin, the more magic your money can make over time. It's like planting a seed that grows into a mighty tree, your retirement fund. So let's make your financial future as bright and shiny as Rudolph's nose. Start planning now, and together, we'll make sure your retirement is as magical as a ride on Santa's sleigh. Let's do a quick recap of Santa's secrets. Now that we've unwrapped Santa's investment secrets together, it's time to put these tips into action. Yes, you heard it right. You can make your holiday season even brighter by incorporating these simple financial tricks. I encourage you, dear friends, to take a moment and think about how you can apply Santa's advice to your own holiday planning. Whether it's setting a budget for gifts, finding creative ways to save, or exploring new investment opportunities, there's something for everyone. And here's the fun part: I want to hear from you. Share your favorite tip, or let me know if you've come up with a new financial tradition inspired by Santa's wisdom. Your ideas might just help others make their holidays even more special. So let's make this a community effort. Implement Santa's investment secrets, share your experiences, and let's create a joyful and financially stress-free holiday season for everyone. Together, we can make the magic of Christmas extend beyond gifts and decorations into the realm of smart financial choices. Happy holidays, and may your wallets be as full as your hearts.